How can someone prey upon you in the midst of your foreclosure? Scams are not always easy to spot, and many scammers will often charge an innocent party exorbitant fees to provide little or no actual service. Would you like to learn how to avoid this? Let's talk about some of the warning signs of a foreclosure scam. Hi, I'm Jim Keaveney of Keaveney Legal Group. We are a New Jersey and Pennsylvania-based law firm that focuses on foreclosure defense and helping those facing difficult times to stay in their homes. One of the saddest things we often have to deal with is a client who has been taken advantage of by an unscrupulous scam artist claiming to offer assistance with their foreclosure problem. Here are a few tips to help you avoid these types of scams. If someone asks for an upfront fee to help you with your foreclosure and they're not an attorney, you probably have a scam. Many people do not realize it's actually illegal for someone to charge fees in advance of services for such things as loan modifications. Attorneys are the exception, but still they must comply with strict requirements like placing the funds in a client trust account. Whenever someone guarantees that they can stop a foreclosure or get you a loan modification, it is probably a scam. The law forbids people or companies from making such guarantees. Legitimate companies will only go so far as promising you that they'll do their very best to help you. They're not going to guarantee you results because that's improper. One piece of terrible advice that many scammers offer is that you should stop paying your mortgage entirely. Alternatively, they will tell you to make your mortgage payments, but to them instead of your bank, with the promise that they will handle making the payments for you. Despite what these unscrupulous individuals will tell you, you should never send a mortgage payment to anyone but the mortgage lender or servicer. Some scammers are bold enough to suggest that if you sign over the deed, they will pay off your mortgage. Usually they suggest that it will work something like a lease-to-own arrangement. This gets clients excited, but it doesn't help them. It often results in the scammer collecting payments from you, reselling the property to others, collecting a fortune, and then leaving you with a whole new mountain of problems, including an unsatisfied mortgage, you're still in foreclosure, and possibly a new owner of the deed trying to evict you. If anyone ever asks you to sign over the deed to your house, or to sign any documents, without giving you a chance to read over them carefully first, just say no. If you have a question about the document they're asking you to sign, ask for an explanation. And if they refuse to explain it to a point where you actually feel comfortable signing it, you should refuse. Finally, one of the most common scams that we see is simply requesting your personal information. You should only give that type of information, which would include your social security number or your bank account information, to companies that you know are actual companies, such as your mortgage lender, your attorney, or a HUD-approved counseling agency. These organizations are under strict supervision and constantly monitored, so you know your information will not fall into the wrong hands. Keaveney Legal Group is dedicated to helping those facing foreclosure, not preying upon them like these scam artists we've been talking about. We understand both the foreclosure process and how to seek relief from those who have taken advantage of you through a phony foreclosure assistance scam. If you have questions, feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call. You can reach us at 1-800-219-0939 or email me at jim@keaveneylegalgroup.com. I'm Jim Keaveney. Have a wonderful day.